Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create studio in Facebook page. So open your Facebook page and go to three horizontal lines of profile. So I will convert my profile into my page. So it will be take 1 2 seconds and my page will be load. So I go to search bar and type it here Creator Studio. When I type Creator Studio, the links will be below. So first one you will be click to Creator Studio. So click to again this blue icon Creator Studio. So it will be loading. It take times to 2 3 seconds only, not more. So it will be load in more 2 3 4 seconds. So it will be load. You see the blue line is installing, so it will be prepared for your Creator Studio. So once it's completed, you will be able to use Creator Studio. You see it will be loading and it takes time and it will be ready. Okay, I'll zoom it. So this is your Creator Studio where you can post and earn and monetization and much more ad runs here and planner content insights. This is how to run. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.